friends, welcome to Crack Course video series. Today I am here with an interesting topic, that is countries and currencies. Today I am going to explain you the tricks to remember various currencies for various countries. Before getting into the video, please do like, share and subscribe the video and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Currency is system of money in general use in a particular country. We have different currencies for different countries. The most important currencies which are used for trading in all over the world are Canadian dollar, US dollar, Euro, Japanese yen, and Swiss franc, and British pound. I am here with many tricks so that you can remember the currencies very easily. Let's start with the currencies. Let's see the country which uses rupee as its currency. To remember these countries, I have created a small trick, that SIS in MP. Remember this small trick, SIS in MP. S is for Sri Lankan rupee, I is for Indonesian rupee, again S is for Seychelles, and again I is for Indian rupee, N is for Nepalese rupee, and M is for Mauritius, and P is for Pakistan. See, this is very easy to remember. Remember that SIS in MP. SIS is like we use it like a short form to call sister as SIS. SIS in MP, so that you can remember the whole countries which are using rupee as its currency. That is Sri Lankan rupee, Indonesian rupee, Seychelles rupee, Indian rupee, Nepalese rupee, and Mauritius also using rupee, and Pakistan is also using rupee. So it is SIS in MP. SIS in MP. Okay. Hope this is useful for you. Let's see the next one. Let's see the country which is using dollar as currency. Dollar as currency. I have created a small trick, that you can sing anthem. In place of M, I am putting it T. Just remember this. You can sing anthem. In place of M, just you remember it as T. In place of M, you remember it as T. Now, U is for USA. Okay. CAN is for Canadian dollar. Sing is for Singapore dollar. A is for Australia. N is for New Zealand. is for Taiwan. H is for Hong Kong. E is for Ecuador. And the last one, T, is for Trinidad or Tobago. So this is very easy to remember. You can sing anthem in place of M, put it as T, so that you can cover all the countries where we are using dollar as its currency. Hope this is useful and it is easy to remember. Make a note of all these tricks so that it will be useful for you while revising for your exams, and it will be like a short quick revision so that you can remember all these tricks. Let's see the next one. Let's see the countries which are using Rial or as its currency. RIYAL, or it is also written as RIAL. I have created a small trick. It's no offense for anybody. Like IQ of boys is low. Okay, IQ of boys is low. Now let's see what every letter means, like what country. I is Iran Rial. Q is Qatar, and C, B is for Brazil. O is for Oman. Y is for Yemen. S is for Saudi Arabia. So here the key letters are I, Q, B, O, Y, S. That's it. So if you remember it as a sentence, you can remember the countries easily. IQ of boys is low or IQ of boys is good, whatever. This must include IQ and boys. So I is for Iran Rial, Q is for Qatar, B is for Brazil, O is for Oman, Y is for Yemen, and S is for Saudi Arabia. I hope this is useful for you. Let us see the countries which are using dinar as its currency. I have created a short trick, that is, I am telling BJP to be listed in UK. Here I means Iraq, A is Algeria, M is Macedonian dinar, and B is Bahrain, J is Jordan, and L is Libya, S is Serbia, Serbian dinar, and T is Tunisian dinar, and K is for Kuwait. So here the letters we have to remember is I, A, M, B, J, L, S, T and K. See, I, A, M, B, J, L, S, T and K. So these are the countries which use dinar as its currency. You can remember it using the sentence, I am telling BJP to be listed in UK. These sentences are just to remember for our convenience, not projecting to any person or anything. Let's see the countries that use pound as its currency. I have created a small trick so that we can remember the countries that use pound as its currency. That is, pound is useless for Harini. Here the important keywords is, this sentence tells us that we are talking about pound, and the important key letters is U, S, L, E, S and H. So what is U? U is for UK, S is for Syria, L is for L means Lebanese pound, again E is for Egypt, S is for Sudan and H is for Helena. So now we can remember all the countries that use pound as its currency with only this sentence easily. U is for UK, S is for Syria, L is for Lebanese country and E is for Egypt, this S is for Sudan and H is for Helena. I hope this will be useful for you. Let's see the next country that uses shillings as its currency. I have created a short trick so that you can remember the countries that use shillings as its currency. The trick is, I got this tusk for 100 shillings. This statement tells us that we are talking about shillings. The important key letters are T, U, S and K. T is Tanzanian shillings, U is Uganda, that is Ugandan shillings, S is Somali and K is for Kenya, Kenyan shillings. So with this statement we can know that we are talking about shillings, and with this word tusk we can know that we can derive the name of the countries, that is Tanzania, Uganda, Somalia and Kenya. These are the countries that use shillings as their currency. Let's see the next countries that use peso as their currency. I have created a short trick to remember the countries that use peso as their currency. The trick is, I bought C-shaped Mac cup for 1000 peso. This statement tells us that we are talking about the currency peso, and the important key letters in this statement is C, MAC and CUP. Here M is Mexico, A is Argentina, C is Cuba, this C is Colombia and this one is Chile, U is Uruguay and P is Philippines. These are the countries that use peso as their currency. You can easily remember using this statement. Please revise these statements as tricks every day so that it will be easy for your examination. Let's see the next countries that use krone as their currency. The trick is, Mark has bought some food from Subway after receiving the crown. Here the important words are mark, and way, and crown. Remember the word crown as crone. It sounds similar, so that you can recall that we are talking about the currency krone. And mark is Denmark, that uses Danish krone. This is the currency of Denmark. And Norway, from way we can derive the country name as Norway. Norway uses Norwegian krone as its currency. So by remembering this sentence, we can deduce the three words. That is that we are talking about the currency krone, and also these two words mark. From mark we can derive the word Denmark. So the currency of Denmark is Danish krone, and from the word way we can derive the word Norway, and its currency is Norwegian krone. Let's see the next currency. The next currency is won. The trick is Korea has won the 2 battles. Here the important words are Korea. It resembles we are talking about the country Korea, and 2 resembles, we have 2 Koreas like South Korea and North Korea, and 1 is the currency used by these 2 countries. So from this sentence we can derive that we are talking about Korea and we are talking about the currency 1, and this 2 indicates that there are 2 Koreas, that is South Korea and North Korea. So that finally South Korea and North Korea are the two countries, they are using 1 as their currency. Okay, let's see the next currency. The next currency is CFA franc. The trick to remember the countries using this currency is BBC from France has called CM for a study. Here the important key letters are BBC and called, the letter C from called, and CM for study, and the letter S and T from the word study. Let's see the countries. B is Benin, the other B is Burkina Faso, C is Cameroon, this C is Central African Republic, and another C from CM is Chad, M is Mali, and S is Senegal, and T is Togo. These are the currencies that are using CFA franc as their currency right now. There is a plan of changing this currency into the currency called as ECO. This has been initiated but still not finalized, so it may change this year. That's it, friends. These are the tricks that I have created so that you can remember the currencies of the countries easily. I would like to suggest you to make a note of all these tricks and these countries at a place, so that it will be useful for you like a revision before your examinations. Hope it helps you, and thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video, and you can give me any suggestions to make the tricks, and also for any queries you can type it on the comment box, and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.